Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pennymac. Access your mortgage account online step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Pennymac. Come into the address bar and press enter. On the home page, look for the login or sign in option at the top of the page. Click the login or sign in button to open the account access page. Check that you are on the official Pennymac site by confirming the URL starts with HTTPS and shows Pennymac.com. Find the section for customer account login, often labeled as account login or customer portal. Click the button or link that says log in, sign in, or access my account. Enter your username in the first field exactly as you created it. Enter your password in the next field, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a personal device, you may choose the Remember Me option for faster access next time. If you are on a shared or public device, leave Remember Me unchecked for security. Click the Sign In or Login button to continue. If you are asked to verify your identity, select your preferred method such as text message or email. Enter the verification code you receive and submit it to complete the security step. Wait for your account dashboard to load after successful verification. On the dashboard, locate your mortgage loan overview to confirm you are in the correct account. To view payment details, click Payment, Billing, or Make a Payment depending on the menu names shown. To see your balance and loan information, open Loan Details, Account Summary, or similar sections. To download documents, go to Statements, Documents, or Forms and choose the file you need. If you forgot your username, click Forgot Username and follow the prompts to recover it. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. When resetting your password, create a strong password and store it safely. If you cannot log in after resetting, double-check for typing errors and make sure caps lock is off. Try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser if the page is not loading correctly. Disable browser extensions that might block login pages, such as ad blockers, if needed. If you still have issues, look for help, support, or contact us on the Pennymac site. Use the official support options to confirm account access and resolve login problems securely. After finishing, click your profile icon and choose Logout to protect your account, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.